All right, boys and girls, we're going to be going through our second passage. You have a paper copy. I will read the story. You can follow along on the screen or on your paper copy. Then I will read the questions and you will answer on your paper copy. The directions say to read the passage Rice for Everyone before answering numbers 6 through 10. Good readers always go and look at the questions before they begin reading so they know what to pay attention to. Press pause and go do that now. Okay, let's get started. Rice for Everyone. Pam opened her lunchbox. "What do you have to eat today?" asked Angel. "I have a cheese sandwich," Pam answered. "I have rice," Angel said. "We do too," said Kim and Paul. All of Pam's friends had rice. Kim's rice was brown, Angel had rice and beans, and Paul's rice was yellow. Pam was sad. She wanted to have rice too. That night, Pam went into the kitchen. She asked her mother to make rice for dinner. "We can make fried rice," Mom said. "What is fried rice?" Pam asked. "It is a delicious rice dish from China," answered Mom. "I used to like to eat it when I was your age. It has eggs and some other good things in it." I'm going to scroll up here. "Can I help make it?" asked Pam. Mom smiled and nodded. Pam put water into a pot to heat it. She let Pam put in the rice. "Can I taste it now?" Pam asked. "It's not ready yet," said Mom. "You must wait for the rice to cook." While Pam waited, she set the table. She could smell the rice cooking. Soon the rice was done. "Can we eat the fried rice now?" asked Pam. "No," said Mom. "The rice must get cold. There are more things we must add to." Mom showed Pam some peas, peppers, and nuts. She put them in a bowl, and Pam stirred the mixture carefully with a spoon. When the rice was cold, Mom put it into a big pan. She turned on the stove and heated the rice again. Then Mom put in the egg and added the foods that Pam had mixed in the bowl. At last the fried rice was ready. Pam put a spoonful of rice on her plate, took a bite, and smiled. "I really like fried rice," Pam said. "It's very tasty." The next day, Pam was so excited that she could not wait for lunch. She opened her lunchbox in front of her friends. Pam looked surprised. Paul looked surprised. "What is that?" he asked. "It's fried rice," said Pam, "and I helped make it." "This is great. Now we all have rice for lunch," said Paul. Oh, that's a good story. All right, let's go down and look at the questions. It says question number 6 has two parts. First, answer part A, then answer part B. Part A, right here. Why does Pam ask her mom to make rice for dinner? A, Pam likes rice a lot. B, Pam does not like rice. C, Pam's friends at school had rice for lunch. D, Pam's mom makes the best rice dinner. Part B of this question says, which choice best supports your answer in part A? In other words, what is your proof down here that helped you make your decision? A, Pam was sad. She wanted to have rice too. B, can I help you make it? Asked Pam. Mom smiled and nodded. C, she could smell the rice cooking. Soon the rice was done. I really like, or I'm sorry, D, I really like fried rice, Pam said. It is very tasty. Remember, which of these sentences is your proof for part A? Question 7. What word from the passage is the root word of heated? In other words, what is the base word? Is it at, eat, heat, he? Okay, question number 8. It says, how does Pam change from the beginning to the end of the story? A, at first she is scared and then she's brave. B, at first she is lonely and then she is friendly. C, at first she's unhappy and then she is excited. D, at first she is excited and then she is unhappy. Question number 9. Choose two words from the passage that have the same root word. So two of these words have the same root word. A, stirred. B, waited. C, mixture. D, water. E, mixed. Two of those have the same root or base word. Pick the two. And question 10, there are 2 parts. Part A, how is Pam the same as the other children at the end of the passage? A, she has rice for lunch. B, she makes rice at home. C, she likes fried rice. D, she has a sandwich for lunch. Part B says which sentence from the passage best supports your answer in part A, right up here. Which one of these is your proof? A, we can make fried rice, Mom said. B, can we eat the fried rice now? Asked Pam. C, I have a cheese sandwich, Pam answered. D, now we all have rice for lunch, said Paul. Make sure you answer your question.